Good morning guys, today we've got your HTC U24 Pro and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So at first you have to open your phone gallery. Now mark the contact that you wish to personalize, select edit icon and mark add picture. Here select the source from which you want to pick your photo. It can be a camera, so you'll be able to grab photo right now. You can choose something from your gallery, from Google Photos or from a default illustrations. Once you pick illustration, you will be able to add some preset here and also perform a quick crop. So this is how you can customize this picture. But if you'll pick this card, if you'll pick device photos, just go through all your gallery and pick the picture that you want to apply. Let me pick this Dua Lipa one. Tap on choose, tap on save, and that's it. As you can see, it is already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.